there, kid. We actually located your mom.
Really? Well, you located his mom?
Yeah, and we actually brought her here.
Oh my God! Really? She's like right here, right now.
Yeah, she wants to talk to you.
You bring her in? Yeah, bring her.
Hey, Joseph.
Mommy! Oh my God, Mommy! I'm so happy to see you.
Calm down, Joseph. I want to explain something to you. It was the night before Halloween. Well, actually, it was midnight, so technically it was Halloween. So what happened was, I had taken away your video game, and I went and sat on the couch. And then I checked my lottery tickets and saw that I had won $10 million. And I wanted to start a new life without a kid. So I went to the Halloween store, and I bought a plastic skeleton in a wig and put it on the couch. And I left you enough money in my purse to buy pizza, and then I left, and I never looked back.